What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to show you this lint remover that I received to do this video. Let's get it unboxed and check it out. Here's everything on display that is included. The actual lint remover itself is quite small, fits in the hand really nice. It just has one button that flushes through the different 3 speed modes, and it will also tell you your battery percentage. You can see mine has 86%. The pill removing and lint removing is done by rotating these 6 blades right inside the grill. It does also have a trap for all the lint as well that you can empty out once you're done. Also included is an instruction manual, a frequently asked questions sheet. It does come with 2 spare blades as well in case the current one gets dull. Comes with a USB to USB-C charging cable, and then last but not least, a little cleaning brush as well. The top grill of the lint remover just screws right off in case you need to switch out the blade or just clean around it. The blades are really easy to take off and put back on. You just simply pull lightly, and then to reinstall it, you just push lightly and it'll snap right back in. To access the lint trap and throw away any lint you capture, you can just simply pull down on that clear reservoir. Here are the actual device specs. And to get the lint trap door back on, you simply line up the slots and just push up. It is such a lightweight device and very user-friendly. On the bottom of the device, you'll find a USB-C input to charge it. So let's put it to action. Here I have a gray jacket that had a bunch of lint on it. So I turned the device on and swiped over the lint, and the device worked its magic. This can be great for clothing, sheets, blankets, and even furniture. As this worked on my jacket, I figured I would try it on my sheets as well, which have been annoyingly pilling recently. So I gave it a try on my sheets as well, and take a look at the difference. From before, there were a bunch of lint and pilling where the sheets are just kind of popping up with those little pills. This shaver did a great job of pulling those right off. I love how small and lightweight this lint remover is, makes it really easy to use. So hopefully this showed you a lot more about it. Thanks for watching.